What's good, fam? It's your boy Gels, and I'm back with another video. In this video, we're gonna talk about the new Studio One 6.5 update. Let's go! Like I said, family, in this video, we're going to talk about the new Studio One 6.5 update. I'm not going to go over everything that was released in this new update. I'm just going to go over the things that I like, the things that will take my workflow to the next level. And you guys know what we got to talk about, baby. That Studio One Atmos, baby. All right, so look, enough of me talking. Let's head over to the computer so we can go over this update. All right, fam. So like I said, here's some of my favorites about the new Studio One 6.5 update. And of course, you know I had to start with Dolby Atmos, man. Some of you guys are like me, was attempting to mix with Dolby Atmos and Pro Tools. It wasn't as easy as integration, wasn't as easy to start out with. Had to buy a few extra things, but with Studio One, everything you need is included, and that's what I love about this new update, man. Everything you need to mix in Dolby Atmos is here and is active inside of Studio One. In fact, they even gave this this demo session here, this tutorial for Dolby Atmos. I'm gonna play a little bit of it for you so you can see exactly what it sounds like. But before I play it, I'm gonna go into the next thing I like about the Dolby Atmos here in Studio One. So in fact, you don't need the typical 10 or 11 speakers when mixing in Dolby Atmos. They have this binaural headphones. It's not 100% like mixing on the immersive audio setup, but you can hear your sounds moving. You can hear the spatial audio within your Atmos mix. So it's definitely going to help those who don't have the amount of speakers that you need, that you can get a good headphone mix with this binaural option. So right now I recommend going ahead and putting on your headphones so you guys can hear exactly what this Dolby Atmos is doing inside of Studio One. So like I said, I'm going to play their sample song here so you guys can hear it. And as you see, this is letting you know exactly what's going on here. All right, guys. So like I said, man, this is my favorite update with the Studio One 6.5. Are you guys excited about Atmos? Let me know, man, in the comments below. So another great thing about the Dolby Atmos with the 6.5 update is Studio One released 2 new plugins to go along with the Dolby Atmos setup. So here's the first one. You have your surround delay. So this delay is actually for spatial audio, which is great. If you guys want to see a full tutorial on this thing, just let me know. And the second plugin here is their open air, man. It's a great plugin, man. Reverb plugin. And I can't wait to use this thing when mixing. If you guys want me to do a full tutorial on this, I will as well. Like I said, this is my favorite parts about the new 6.5 update. Now let's get into a couple more. All right, guys, the next thing I like about this new 6.5 update, they actually released 2 more new plugins that really don't have anything to do with Atmos. and they updated one of their plugins. So the first plugin I have right here is a de-esser. Finally, PreSonus gave us a de-esser, the stock de-esser here in Studio One. I think this is a great addition with the 6.5 update. I can't wait to use it. I love Studio One stock plugins, so I know this thing is gonna be amazing. If you guys want me to do a full tutorial on this thing, let me know. The next plugin they have, woo-wee, is the PreSonus Studio One vocoder, man. This thing is a beast. I've already tried it out. I've already used it. This thing is amazing. We've been asking for a vocoder. We've been asking for a de-esser as well. Studio One has finally given this thing to us. So if you haven't already, make sure you download 6.5 and you get this vocoder a try. Next thing I like about Studio One is it's called fader flip. So I have this reverb here and I also have a delay, but let's start with the reverb. The great thing about fader flip, you go over here, activate fader flip. Now it's going to show in green here every plugin, every audio file that has this reverb on it. So you can adjust accordingly. You don't have to go through searching. You don't have to do anything like that. It lets you know every plugin that has this reverb on it. Now, let's go back. Let's click on this delay. This lets you know all the plugins that have this delay on there. So now you don't have to go searching through your session. You can actually see the plugins firsthand and adjust the faders accordingly. Yes, sir. That 6.5 update was crazy. Salute to you, Studio One. Salute to you, PreSonus, man. You guys did an amazing thing releasing 6.5, man, the way that you did. I was thinking it wouldn't happen. Atmos and a few other things wouldn't happen until Studio One 7 or maybe later on next year or something like that. But you guys killed it with 6.5 and everything that it offered. Are you a Studio One user? What do you like about the new 6.5 update? Let's talk about it in the comments below. Do you even care about them adding Atmos? Some people don't. A lot of people don't like the way it sounds. A lot of people will never, ever use it. So they really don't care about the 6.5 update. Like I said, I like it for Atmos and a few other things, man. I'm really loving Studio One 6.5, man. Hey, be sure to like and subscribe and share this video. Also, check out my website, mixedbygels.com. And I'll catch you on the next video. I'm gone.